Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shakkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amridam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, today we are going to see a new chapter. Before going to the session, shall we do a energizer? That is opposite action words. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Listen, children. If I say any action words, you have to do opposite action. For example, if I say stand up, you have to sit down. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Yes. Are you ready? Let's start. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Hands up. Hands down. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit down. Stand up. Super children. In this lesson, we are going to see about my body organs. Body organs and their functions. Listen children, we have many organs in our body such as brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Now, we are going to recall about lungs. Listen. Children, tell, if you inhale, what will happen? Yes, the air will enter into our body, which is named as oxygen. Children, tell, if you exhale, what will happen? Yes, the air will come outside our body, which is termed as carbon dioxide. Children say, what is meant by ribs? Yes, the bones in a chest covered with lungs are called ribs. Children say, what is present inside our ribs? Yes, under the ribs we have the lungs were closed by the ribs. Children say, how many lungs are there? There are 2 in number. Children, tell, which helps us to breathe? Yes, lungs helps us to breathe. Children say, when the lungs size will increase? Yes, the lungs will increase when we breathe in. Children say, when the lung size will decrease? Yes, the lungs gets decrease when we breathe out. Children, listen. The major functions of lungs is breathing. The main functions of the lungs is the process of gas exchange called respiration or breathing. Children, in this class, we are going to see about stomach. Children say, what is the organ that will be located under the chest? Yes, the stomach will be located under the chest, in the abdomen. Children say, how does the stomach looks like? Yes, it's look like sack. Children say, which organ will helps in digesting the food? Yes, the stomach will digest the food. Children say, how the body gets energy? Yes, our body gets energy from the food that we eat. Children say, does the stomach have any teeth to break the food? No. So, our stomach does not have any teeth to break down the food. So, we should chew our food properly. Children, tell, what is the function of the stomach? Yes, it makes gastric juice to help digest the food we eat and protect us from germs. It performs mechanical digestion. The main function of the stomach is digesting the food. Children, listen. Now it's time for homework. Read the concept of stomach in page number 23 and record your audio and send it through Google Classroom. Children, now we are going to see about the rewards for your homework. Now look at this slide. I awarded with 2 smileys for who have finished their homework on time, and I awarded with 1 smiley for those who have submitted their homework after the due time. So children, don't be delayed in submitting your work. And for the next session, I need all your columns to be filled with 2 smileys. Now, I am going to read the name of 2 smiley students. Akshaya, Mokshita, Midunashree, Dashwant, Magidravarsha, Jashvika, Hensika, Pranav Siddharth, Gausika, Shivalika and Prabhu ID. Next, now I am going to read the name of 1 smiley students. Prasanna Segran, Shashwin and Vaijesh. Children, give a applause for them. Super children, keep it up. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you children.